Hey, welcome back to Cracks Country Cooking. I'm Ben, and today I'm going to show you how I made this French onion soup in a crock pot. We're going to slice up some onion, throw it in a crock pot with some butter, and then we're going to let that go overnight, 12 hours. In the morning, we'll put our broth and other seasonings in there, let that go for another 10 hours. First thing you're going to need, some of these guys. 3 to 4 pounds is good. Then slice them in half, make it easier to peel. I like to peel them into a separate container, so you don't have to deal with them. All the peel getting on your cutting board. Once you get those all peeled, that sucked, put them in another container. Now you need one of these, finger destroyer, mandolin. It's basically, the root ends up here. And just keep doing that until you get as close as you dare without losing the fingers. Okay, now you got all these onions cut. You're gonna need one of these. Take the crock pot, 1 stick of butter. Room temperature would be best. Now you're gonna wanna throw in all your onions. I have an 8-quart crock pot. If you're gonna be using a smaller crock pot, you can use less onions. Just remember, these are gonna reduce down a lot. So now you can sprinkle the top with some brown sugar. And so now you got your brown sugar, pinch your kosher salt. Now, lid on it, put it on low overnight, about 10 to 12 hours. I'll see you in the morning. So next morning, these are nice and reduced, caramelized. So now we will add oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, MSG, 3/4 cup of bourbon, four cups of beef broth, and 4 cups of chicken broth. Give that a mix. Sprig of thyme and rosemary. Then put the lid back on it. Let it go for 8 hours. Grate some Gruyere cheese and toast some French bread. After 10 hours, so what we got. Take this thyme and rosemary out, and then we'll plate it. Now take our toasted French bread, put that in the bottom, then we'll ladle some soup into the ramekins. Now I like to take a piece of provolone, use whatever cheese you like, and then some of our Gruyere. Place this under the broiler for about 5 minutes. Fresh out of the oven, we'll let this cool down for a minute, then we'll try some. All right, let's try it, see how it turned out. That looks really good. Oh, it's like 6,000 degrees though. I mean, that's really good. With how easy this was to make, I really think this is how I'm going to be making it from now on. Look at all that onion. Oh yeah. Alright, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We got more videos coming out every week. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, of course Threads. No, that's not the way to do it. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Threads, and of course YouTube. You can go to crackscountrycooking.com. We got recipes, seasonings, all sorts of stuff on there. Alright, see ya. It's dinner time.